guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dynamites. Now this is just my take on it. I think it's delicious. I know they're called Dynamites, but I don't make them super spicy because I can't take it. So I'm going to leave the spiciness up to you. But the recipe itself is delicious. It's really foolproof. Everybody loves it in my household. It is right now on repeat because the baby's loving it. So I eat it for lunch every day pretty much, and I thought, I never shared this recipe with you, so I wanted to do that right now. So if you want to see how it comes together, make sure that you continue to watch. Okay, so to make this, you're going to need some ground beef that I have right here. In this bowl, what I have are some green peppers, onions, and celery. You're going to need pasta sauce, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and some olive oil. Okay, so into my pot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a drizzle or so. And then to that, I'm going to go ahead and add in my ground beef. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cook the ground beef down until it's fully cooked through. And any fat that the ground beef renders, we're going to want to get rid of that fat. So I'm going to go ahead and babysit this, and then I'll meet you here so we can finish this off. Okay, so my ground beef is done. Let me show you. It's gonna get foggy, but so it's done. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add everything into this pot. So my veggies, along with my pasta sauce. And I'm using store-bought because I don't feel like making my own. And any shortcut I can take about now is quite alright with me. So I'm going to add in some red pepper flakes, as little or as much as you want, because you are the one whose spiciness this is going to do. I put about a quarter teaspoon. I do Italian seasoning, some garlic powder. You can also use garlic salt. I use both. Some salt. And then finish it off with some black pepper. And then you're going to let this simmer for about 2.5 to 3 hours so that it comes together. The veggies get nice and soft. It just kind of cooks down beautifully. And then you're going to serve this on your favorite roll. And that is it. It's super easy. You do have to babysit it. You have to stir it once in a while just so nothing sticks. But really, it's super easy. I hope you guys found this helpful and you're going to love it as much as I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.